Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and you know what? I don't really care if it doesn't fit in my algorithm. I'm going to do it anyway. Today I am going to be making a braid band slime. Now slime has been a really popular thing for several years now. Kids like it, adults like it, you know, it's just for everyone. It's fun. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be making a braid band slime. I'm going to be putting braid bands and gold glitter into a clear slime. There's all different types of slime out there, really cool types of slime. I'm going to be making an equestrian slime though, for all of the horse lovers out there and just whoever thinks it's interesting. So as always, out of the literally billion other YouTube creators out there, thank you so much for choosing to watch me make some equestrian themed slime today. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe to see more of me in the future. You can also check out my second channel, Allison Adventure, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cantering Gorgeous. But for now, let's get on with this one. So we're gonna start by making our clear glue so that it can sit for a few days to get all the bubbles out of it. So I'm taking clear Elmers glue and just putting that in a mixing bowl. So now I have my activator ready. I put my activator in an empty water bottle because it's easier to pour versus out of a mixing cup. So I'm going to very slowly add activator into the clear glue, just a tiny bit at a time. And it's already starting to clump up, which is great. So clear slime is all mixed up, and now I'm going to leave it in the container for a couple of days, or just until all these bubbles clear out, because you can see it just looks white now, but we are going to wait for the bubbles to go out of it. I made this slime about 4 days ago, and I had to wait to get all of the bubbles out of it, you know, because when you mix it up, it gets all these bubbles, and you want to make it really, really clear so it looks like gel or it looks like glass. I don't know. It's really cool. And this slime is still a little bit sticky. You want it a little sticky because we're going to put the braid bands into it. You know, start the fun part. First, I'm going to put in some gold glitter. Ooh, I just love glitter. I'm addicted to it. It's just like good stuff. Now I think we should add some braid bands. Ooh. So what do you think? I think it turned out really, really cool. The gold and the braid bands. Whoa. So I am really happy with the way that this slime turned out. Just kind of of course, rubber band slime has been done before, but braid band slime, I don't think has. It just is cool. It's fun. You could use whatever colored glitter you wanted. I just thought gold would look nice with the black braid bands. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make some equestrian clear braid band slime. I sure had a good time making it. So I hope you enjoyed watching an equestrian themed slime. I have a few more ideas of small things you could put in there to you could put in slime. And if this goes over well, I will probably show them later. Try this out, what you think of this if you try this out. Have fun with your slime, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!